Hey everyone, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and we're back again for day 2 of Intergeo. So David and I will give you a little bit of a rundown of what we saw, what we did, and the interesting things that are out there today.
Okay, so first of all, we went and saw a bunch of different drone LiDAR, terrestrial LiDAR, SLAM LiDAR options. A few of the notable ones we saw some from Yellowscan, we saw some from Green Valley International. Both of those look pretty promising. We might be bringing in a few in to test, and we'll let you know how that goes in the future. We also got to check out a ton more LiDAR processing and auto classification software. We saw a lot more promising stuff today than we did yesterday. Some of it looks super slick. We're actually really excited about it.
And what else we saw was we saw a lot of automation stuff. So we saw some drones, we saw some robotic total stations, and you're probably wondering, Nolan, why is there no B-roll? That's because I forgot to record some in the hall. It was very busy today. We were running around, and it's well past my bedtime in North America, so I forgot to. Regardless, we did see some cool drones. We saw some VTOL stuff, so this LiDAR stuff David was just talking about. We saw a bunch of cool drones that could carry that package. Stuff like kind of comparisons to Wingtris stuff. We saw some cool quadcopters, and we saw a whole bunch of other cool shit that we'll have more detailed videos on. Hopefully tomorrow we can film some more interesting content. But what I really want to talk to you about now is what David's going to tell you about, and that is about Field Genius and some of the stuff coming up there. So we'll keep messing around on escalators and have David show you all that.
Unfortunately, a lot of the exciting stuff we actually talked about was under an NDA. So now that we've explained that, we also talked to them a lot about bugs fixes going forward. There's quite a few bugs right now looking to get fixed in this upcoming release here. They were also on our third major release this year. I know some people were waiting a little long after 2.6 for an update. Going forward, they're much more on track, much more serious about, at least 4 major updates a year, and a lot of bug fixes, new features going forward that we're quite excited about. All right, and we're also going to be sending out a survey to all of you guys who are still using Legacy, so you can really let us know what you like about it, and that way we can really push hard to get all of those features and what you want to see in Field Genius Android into Field Genius Android going forward.
And that, folks, is our update for Intergeo Day 2. Tomorrow we're going to film some more interesting content, and as you've probably noticed, I've just been filming random B-roll to fill this video, as again, I am terribly sorry I forgot to record more B-roll. Now, that is everything for today's video. We will see you tomorrow.